The topic we are going to see is quadratic model by matrix method. Okay, so quadratic model means it have two degree polynomial equation. Okay, that is y is equal to a plus bx plus cs square plus error. Okay, so here we are saying model. Okay, so model means there will be error. Okay, in the equation there will be error. Okay, so but in general we will take only y is equal to a plus bx plus cs square. Okay, that is without error. Okay, so for calculation purpose we will take the equation without error. Okay, so in the quadratic model we will have three parameters. Okay, that is a, b and c. Okay, so we want to find the parameters that, okay, parameter means unknown constant. Okay, so we want to find that unknown constant by using the value x and y. Okay, so there will be, see, in the quadratic model there are three there are three parameter. Okay, so there will be three normal equation in the quadratic model. Okay, see, uh, 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 I, I already told that in the quadratic model there are three parameters, so there will be three normal equation. Okay, so to find the first normal equation you want to add summation in the quadratic model. Okay, and to find the second normal equation you want to add summation of x in the quadratic model. Okay, and to find the third normal equation you want to add summation of x square in the quadratic model. Okay, so in the linear model we will add only summation and summation of x. Okay, because in the linear model we are having only two parameters, so we just add only summation and summation of x. Okay, but in the quadratic model we are having three parameters and we want to find the three normal equation, so we are adding first to find the first normal equation we are adding summation. Okay, and similarly to find the second normal equation we are adding summation of x, and similarly to find the third normal equation we are adding summation of x square. Okay, so the normal equation will be like this. Okay, that is summation of y summation of a plus b into summation of x plus c into summation of x square, like this. Okay, so this is the normal equation. Okay, so we formed this normal equation by adding the summation in the model, summation of x and summation of x squared in the model. Okay, so in the model we will add summation of x and summation of x squared. Okay, so here the summation of a. Okay, in the first normal equation you can see there is summation of a. Okay, so a is a parameter. Okay, that is constant. So summation of a is a plus a plus a plus a, that is n into a. Okay, so n means number of observation. Okay, n means number of n means number of observation. Okay, next step is we will convert this normal equation into matrix form. Okay, see, this is this whole equation we are converting into a matrix form like this. Okay, so here the first row that is first matrix is A matrix. Okay, second matrix is B matrix, third matrix is alpha matrix. Okay, so here we are just converting this equation. Okay, that is we are taking all the three equation as 3 into 1 matrix. Okay, so from this 3 into 1 matrix we are converting it into two matrix, that is B matrix and alpha matrix. So B matrix is a 3 into 3 matrix and alpha matrix is a 3 into 1 matrix. Okay, so in this the B matrix is symmetric matrix. Okay, that is B will be equal to B transpose. Okay, because you can see in the first row third column, okay, that is summation of x squared is equal to the second row. Okay, is equal to the second row. Sorry, in the B matrix you can see the first row third element. Okay, that is first row third element. First row third column element is equal to the third row first column element. Okay, so in this matrix we know A matrix and B matrix. Okay, we don't know the alpha matrix, So we will find the alpha matrix by using B inverse into A. Okay, so in this we know A, B, okay, and we don't know alpha. Okay, alpha is the parameter matrix. Okay, so we will find this parameter matrix by solving B inverse into A.